0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Alright, so spice jars and container jars for food and cereal containers. I'm going to take them out and wash those. And then I'll show you the ones that I originally had the spices in that I'm no longer going to be using.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Oh, that's real good.
Alright, real quick, so boxes over there. The containers are washer and quick wash. These are the cereal containers that I forgot to show you. The lids are in there now. Spice rack tops, spice jars and food jars are drying off. I hand wash those. These are the new cereal containers. Let me see. It came in a 2-pack. So I like these. They're a lot more thicker and secure, so I don't have to worry about the cereal getting stale. So I'm hand washing these items. The rest of these are the organizers for the spice jars. Now that works. And I think I want to move them here. Now that's washing. So these right now are my current spice jars that I have. And I'll just quick show you. Hold on. So that's how these look. I got these from the Container Store years ago. I can't think of how many years, like back home when we first bought our house. And then subsequently, like the ones that are blank, I ended up getting these from Target or Walmart. They started selling them, I found out, what, a year ago or more. So this brand is from Container Store. And then Walmart sells them like a 2-pack or a 3-pack, a whole bunch cheaper, same exact ones. So, but I've been wanting to change it up. So these I also am going to donate. It's hard to part with because it is such great stuff, but hopefully this organization, oh, I gotta clean this, is doing right by those, because I know they're unhoused, but I'm assuming like there's some level of like helping them get housing too, because you provide household goods. So, and then these are things I just didn't put in containers because I knew I was going to be switching over. And slowly but surely, I had just been collecting them. Like when I would run out of spice, I would just put it up in there versus refilling it. All right. Good morning, beautiful people. So we have a slight delay on the rest of the jars for the pantry. So I'm going to clean out where the spices used to be. And I haven't given this away yet, but I'm in the crunch because, so today is Friday and tomorrow I have another big donation pickup. I just finally got the tall jar to put some of these in. So I'm going to clean this out. And right now, so don't pay attention, I have to clean the stove off. So I'm debating on if this stays the same, which I feel like they both have wasted space, but you can see my space back there. Excuse me. And this one isn't too bad. Again, I'm not a big fan of having a bunch of stuff on a counter, but I'm like, I do have that utensil thing that only has a few things in there. And since I condense this to just having one set, I'm like, would it be bad if these 6 pieces went in there? And this drawer I'm trialing with the new spice jars. Surprise, we updated the spice jars. I'm seeing if I like it in here or not. Otherwise, and these are the old ones, so I need to clear those out because, again, donations didn't pick up tomorrow. I don't know why I still have these in here. So I need to empty these out and clean them so they can be packed up. So yeah, you see these clear organizers. So I'm debating on if I can take this out, and this is already out. Oops. This used to be in that last drawer too, and it was just wasted space. But they each, let me show you. They actually fit the width of the drawer. Let's see. So if I move these two, over here, they will fit perfectly. And then I might end up putting the spices on each side of the stove, which would be more conducive. So I might try that. So I'm gonna clean out the cabinets, clean out the drawers, see how I feel about those utensils being added to this, which is I'm gonna take that organizer out, but I wouldn't get that away yet just in case I change my mind later. And I won't give these away yet unless I change my mind later. Again, I only have one day. And then I'll try out the spices over here. All right, so today's the day of donation pickup, although I set it out early this morning, late this morning. So I have these, Jesus. Okay, let's try to grab that. So I had these risers. So these used to be in here, expanded of course. But I think I do like the setup of these being here. And then I have these long jars to where they can still fit on the side for these tall ones that I need to fill up still, and probably just the tall ones. So it fits in here, so I can fit 3 or 4. And if I can't fit 3 or 4, I'm fine with them being up there. So I likely don't need these. Or not, we had pizza last night. And the same over here where, excuse me, the same over here where there's space over here as well to put a spice. It works on this side as well. So I think I'm gonna herb and put these outside so they can take them as well. And we use them for, over a year. We've had them. But yeah, I don't need them, so I'm going to.
Nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Alright, so hey beautiful people, so life has been life, and as I probably said in these last few videos, depending on how I piece them together. So my husband took the girls to swim, excuse me, albeit begrudgingly by himself. I appreciate it, because I do need the headspace to get the house clean. Yeah, dealing with a loss, but I want to get my kitchen back in order and get these spices up and done. So I won't be on camera for this, because I definitely look like what I've been going through. But I'm going to take these out, put them together in some type of grouping, and then go from there. Yeah. Not thinking about the spice rices that I gave away. I probably should have kept it. We'll see. Or maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna organize these drawers with the spices. For the ones I had to write on there, like for these, I'll likely do over at some point. But right now, I just don't care. Alright. So you know the goal is to cook more from home. And Pizzi's is local to my hometown, Wisconsin. So they always have a good deal where you can buy a $50 gift card for $35. And I bought $150 worth, so 3 cards, and I think I took a little bit more, under 20 additional, so almost about 170 in spices. So yeah, so it tells you everything you bought, 19 total items.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
To get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Up, organize them. So originally I had these up here and I had this down here. Remember I had that black spice rack? I wish I wouldn't have gave it away, so now I have to buy another one, because yeah, I don't know what I have behind there. So I have another spice rack being ordered. So here are the spices. A long time coming. But I do like it. I do love it. The little square jars. Cute, right? It's just overflow of what's already in the containers. Very nice. Very nice. I feel real fancy. Climb. Counters. Simple. The rest of the spices. Now these I need to do over, because quoted they smudge, and they still smudge. It's been a while since I filled these out, and they still smudge. So maybe I need to do it over and like this. All right, y'all. A moment of silence for the spice jars. Like I said, it's a long time coming. Those I just didn't put in jars. I do have a few. No. Actually, I don't have any left, and I'm not buying anymore. I feel like I have enough. Yeah, I really do like it. It's been a long time coming, and I like them. I like the square ones because it's easier to hold. The little thing on top. Yeah, and it also has. Let me just set you down. Of course, the shaker, and then this little thing you can flip open or flip up when you need more. See? Let me smell. Smell good. Smell it. So cute. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. And these I still have to redo. Like, I don't know any better option. Like I said, I'll probably take a picture of it, write it over, and then put tape over it so it doesn't smudge. Which seems like a lot of work, but need to be able to read what I'm using. And shout out to all the Penzi spices. Makes me feel like I can cook. I'm not a horrible cook, but I'm not like a spectacular cook either, which is fine. And then we have the taller jars, which are so cute. These came with it. I have not used them yet. I usually just shake it up and then just open the top and it pours out fine. So if need be, or something calls for a specific amount, then of course I can use it. But other than that, I think this is so nice. Yeah, I wish I would not have given away the other rack, but I actually don't mind how this looks. I like it better because everything like blends in. It's all wood over here. And the extra spices will just remain up there because I was like out of mind. Yeah, I only had a few remaining Penzi bags of spices. But yeah, I like it. What do you all think? Again, thank you for the support. I appreciate. I think we're at like 26, 27 subscribers. Shout out to y'all. Thank you. Please continue to support our channel. Watch, listen, and engage. Thank you all. You take care. You be well. And we'll see you later.